What's up, muscle car people? Bring it muscle cars. We're here at Chris's house. We've never been here before filming. As you can see, he's got toys everywhere. We've got the Mustang. It's broken. That's my fault actually, so we won't talk about that. And we've got his daily driver pickup. We've got the backup car over there. And then we have his Ford Fiesta, which we're working on today. Alright guys, so today we're working on Chris's Ford Fiesta, exactly like mine. I got him this. It's a TB Performance Products rear torsion brace. I got it for him because I blew his transmission up, so I thought that was a fair trade. And we're just going to show you how to install it. It's real simple. You need a 3/4 socket, a 3/4 wrench, and one of these. And that's it. So first step, we are going to put the car on some ramps. Keep coming, keep coming. No, that's good. I think that's enough height anyway. Yeah, that's good.
The question is does the TB go this way or this way?
There's probably only one way to do it.
I mean, it's equidistant, that's the thing.
But slide it up and see. Well, I imagine it probably goes that way, right?
I'm assuming it goes
where the logo
as well.
goes.
Yeah, I'm assuming the logo goes down.
Yeah. So what this does, guys, is it's hard to see in the dark. This is the torsion beam in the back. A little old school technology, not fully rear or fully independent rear suspension, but that's what makes the Fiesta cheap. And all this does is it stiffens it up a little bit so there's a lot less chassis flex of the torsion bar. And there's two holes, right? Somewhere?
Yep.
Right up in here. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry, Chelsea. There's a hole there. Oh, yeah, there's two holes. That's it. You put the bolts through the top, and I'm pretty sure that's it. And threaded through. And that's it. Alright guys, we're done. That took not even 10 minutes, probably less if Chris would have just not used the electric socket the first time. It's two bolts in the subframe. They were 3/4 socket, which is kind of annoying to use a standard socket when everything else is metric. Danny, maybe just ship them out with metric bolts next time. But yeah, if you want to race this STH Ford Fiesta now at Autocross, we're racing October 3rd. Maybe that torsion brace will be all the difference since the Mustang's clearly not running. So, if you got a fast car, you better bring it.
There it is.
Oh yeah, go get him. Oh look. Look what we happened to find out on the roads today. Go, hunt him down.
I don't know if I'm really looking for the mode for your right now, but...
Chris,
yeah.
You just took your car on some twisty roads. Did it feel different?
Yeah, totally. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.